How to make your computer faster. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily make your computer faster, or how you can easily boost your computer performance. So if you have been experiencing lag and slow performance on your computer, it might be basically from your overused application or low RAM. So first thing first, simply make sure you have enough RAM on your device. So to check your properties, simply head back to the this PC option over here. If you don't see this PC there, you can simply search in from here, or you can also directly go to this file explorer option and simply search in for this PC at the right section, left section, and simply search in for the properties. And once you search in for the properties, what you basically see is you can see your installed RAM, and just make sure you change your RAM if you need an upgrade, or if you need a graphic card update accordingly. So once you do that, what I want you to do is simply hit Windows plus R button on your keyboard and simply type in clean mgr. And once you click on it, what it does is it basically links or scans your drive in which your operating system is installed, and simply click on OK. And once you do that, it will calculate, take some time to calculate how much space your temporary files has been taken on your device. And once you do that, simply click on every single cache file which you don't want, and with just like this, scroll down, and it might be temporary files, thumbnails, or recycle bin files, or optimization files, etc. So once you do all of the following things, what you can do is simply head back to your keyboard and simply search in for Windows R and type in the following keyword, that is temp. So what this file means is basically the temporary file. Simply click on Ctrl A on your keyboard and hit the delete button over here. And once you delete your files, it will be deleted. So what it does is it basically boosts your temporary memory by cleaning the junk temporary file. And another thing you can do is simply press Windows R once again and press the key that is being shown here, that is %temp%. So once you're inside here, simply hit the Ctrl A button once again and click the delete option over here, and it will clean your junk file, which will boost up your memory. So once you do that, once again, if it's not deletable, simply click on cancel or skip. So once again, simply click on Windows R button, and once you search in for the prefix by hitting the Windows R button, simply click Ctrl A to select every option over here, and simply delete from over here by simply pressing on delete. So it will also boost up your computer memory. And the last thing I want you to do is simply come over to this taskbar and simply click on properties, or you can just simply come over to the taskbar and simply click on task manager, and then head over to performance section. Check out your CPU usage and memory usage, and finally just head over to startup option and make sure you have disabled every single high intake, high impact applications from your device. So as you can see, I have disabled most of them, just like this. So if some of them have been enabled, simply click on it and disable from over here. So that's it guys, hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.